Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond those twinkling stars? This question has sparked curiosity in humans for centuries, prompting us to explore and understand the enigmatic entity we call the universe. The universe, a vast expanse of space, is an awe-inspiring spectacle. It's so immense that our minds struggle to grasp its true size. It's filled with billions of galaxies, each one home to millions, if not billions of stars. Each star, a fiery ball of gas, might be hosting planets, asteroids, comets, and who knows what else. And that's just what we can see. In reality, the universe is much more than the galaxies and stars that meet our eyes. It's filled with unseen elements that play a crucial role in its structure and evolution. Among these unseen elements are dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious substances don't interact with light, making them invisible and incredibly difficult to detect. Yet, they make up about 95% of the universe. Imagine that! The majority of the universe is something we can't even see. Dark matter, an invisible form of matter, is thought to provide the gravitational glue that holds galaxies together. Without it, galaxies would simply fly apart. On the other hand, dark energy, another unseen player in the cosmic drama, is believed to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. So, when we gaze at the night sky, we're only getting a tiny glimpse of the grand cosmic tapestry. There's so much more out there, hidden from our view, waiting to be discovered. The universe is like a gigantic cosmic iceberg, with the majority of its content lurking unseen beneath the surface. As we delve deeper, we'll realize that the universe is not just about stars and galaxies, but it also contains mysteries that are waiting to be unraveled. The unseen universe holds the answers to some of the most profound questions about our existence and the nature of reality itself. So, let's embark on this cosmic journey and explore the mysteries of the unseen universe. Did you know that the universe is not static, but it is constantly expanding? Yes, that's right. It's like a balloon that's being blown up, but on an unimaginably immense scale. Now, you might be wondering, how did we come to know this? Well, it all started when scientists began observing distant galaxies. They noticed that the light from these galaxies was shifting towards red, a phenomenon known as redshift. This redshift suggested that the galaxies were moving away from us. The farther away the galaxy, the faster it was moving. This led to the realization that the universe itself was expanding. But what causes this expansion? That's where the Big Bang theory comes into play. This theory proposes that the universe began from a single, infinitely dense point around 13.8 billion years ago. In an event of unimaginable heat and energy, often referred to as the Big Bang, the universe started expanding, and it's been growing ever since. Now, this doesn't mean that the galaxies are moving through space. Instead, it's the space itself that's expanding. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread dough. As the dough rises, the raisins move apart from each other. Similarly, as the universe expands, galaxies move away from each other. Also, it's important to note that the Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space. An explosion that created space and time. It's like the start of a grand cosmic show, with the universe being the stage and galaxies, stars, and planets being the performers. So, when we look at the night sky, we are not just seeing stars, but we are witnessing a universe that is constantly in motion. Every star, every galaxy we see is a part of this grand cosmic dance. A dance choreographed by the laws of physics, performed on the stage of an ever-expanding universe. Can you imagine condensing the history of the universe into a single year? This is the concept of the cosmic calendar, a metaphorical way of illustrating the vast timeline of the cosmos. Let's start by picturing a regular calendar, 12 months, each with its own set of days. Now, imagine that this calendar represents the entire history of the universe, starting from the Big Bang. This is our cosmic calendar. The Big Bang, the birth of our universe, occurs on January 1st at precisely midnight. Fast forward through months of cosmic evolution, filled with the formation and death of stars, creation of galaxies, and the birth of planets. We move through the rise of our own solar system, its planets, and our home, the Earth. Each event taking place in the grand timeline of the universe, all within this single year. Now, where do we humans fit into this cosmic calendar? If we were to condense the entire history of the universe into this 1 year, our entire human history would fit into the last few seconds of December 31st. That's right, we've been around for barely a blink of an eye on this cosmic scale. This perspective is more than just a fascinating concept. It humbles us. It makes us realize how small we are in the context of the universe. It's a reminder that our existence in the grand scheme of things is but a fleeting moment. Yet in those brief moments, look at what we've accomplished. We've built civilizations, created art, explored our world, and even reached out into the cosmos. This tells us that every second counts, every moment is precious. The cosmic calendar is a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. It's a reminder to make our moments count, to reach out, explore, learn, and grow, to contribute to the grand story of the universe, however brief our part may be. This cosmic calendar reminds us that we are but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe. What are some of the biggest mysteries that the universe holds? This question often stirs our curiosity, doesn't it? We've been gazing at the stars for centuries, trying to decipher the cosmic riddles that lie beyond our reach. 3 of these mysteries are particularly intriguing: the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe, and the ultimate fate of the universe itself. Let's dive into the first one: dark matter and dark energy. These elusive entities are believed to make up approximately 95% of the universe, yet their nature remains a mystery. Dark matter is thought to be the invisible glue that holds galaxies together, while dark energy is theorized to be the force behind the universe's accelerating expansion. But despite extensive research, we are yet to confirm their existence definitively, let alone understand their nature. Next, we look at another tantalizing question: is there life elsewhere in the universe? With billions of galaxies, each housing billions of stars and potentially even more planets, it's mind-boggling to imagine we are alone. Scientists are working tirelessly to find signs of life, particularly on Mars and the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Yet, until we find definitive proof, the question remains an enigma. Finally, we ponder the ultimate fate of the universe. Will it continue expanding forever, growing colder and more diffuse over time? Or will it eventually start to contract, leading to a big crunch? Or maybe there's a third option we haven't even considered yet. This mystery is as vast and profound as the universe itself. As we continue to explore the universe, we may find answers to these questions, and in the process, we might discover even more mysteries that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. So, let's keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring. After all, the universe is a grand book, and we've only just turned the first few pages.